Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 47 from the playlist of IIT-JEE main physics. The topic is the calculation or finding the resultant magnetic field. And based on this topic, I have one question for this session which is written here on this board. So the question here is, two very thin wires are placed along the x and the y axis as shown in this figure. They carry equal current I. AB and CD are the lines at 45 degree with the axis having origin at O. So AB and CD are the two lines which are inclined at 45 degree with the this x and y axis having the origin at O. So the magnetic field will be zero on the line. So we have to find the correct option from these four options. So from the right hand thumb rule, see here the two wires are indicated by these thick lines. I have depicted the two wires which are lying along the x and y axis by these thick lines, and the direction of the current is given by these arrows. So by the right hand thumb rule, we can see that the magnitude of the magnetic field due to these two current carrying wires will be equal in magnitude but in opposite direction. So because of that, the magnetic field will be zero on the line AB. So the correct option here will be AB. So thank you for joining this session, and in the next session, I will be coming up with a different topic from the same chapter, that is magnetic charges and moving charges and magnetism. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.